Can you explain how that works? That's on standby, right?
Yeah, it's on standby.
And then if you were to touch the
so
middle,
if I double click it, it grabs the last 30 seconds. So it would see you standing there, but it wouldn't have the audio. So when I grab it, so when I tap it, then it goes to the audio, but it backs up.
2 minutes video.
30 seconds for us.
Oh, 30 seconds?
Yeah.
And
different agencies can set it for different lengths of time.
how soon can you typically get that footage after?
So I mean, it's a good thing. Everybody's recording everybody, seems like.
The public, how does the public get access? Like, so right now, if I said I wanted access to that, what would I do?
You go to the police department, make a public records request app.
And what would I have to list in there? Would I say I talked to...
You say you talked to Chase and he recorded me, I want the footage.
And would that matter if it's on your personal phone or if it's on the body cam?
Well, I won't record you on my personal phone.
The department gives you a government department phone or no?
Yeah.
So that you could do a FOIA request on that.
4 years?
Freedom of Information
Oh,
Act.
okay. I thought they said 4 years. No.
That you could request as well?
You could probably request that as well. You can probably request every ticket I've ever wrote, who I've arrested, all that.
Good to know. Hey, how come you wear your name here? Chase.
Because I'm Sergeant Chase.
A lot of officers are wearing serial IDs.
Yeah.
You decided?
No, we have a policy that just came out recently.
And what is the policy?
So it's part of if you wanted to make a Public Records Request Act, you could go find it out. But since you're here and you asked me, I'll tell you. If at a scene of its disturbance or a protest, we can switch to a serial number. So I could put on, I have one that just has my serial number on it.
Right, but I have videos of officers just on Rodeo Drive.
Right.
And they're wearing serial IDs.
It just came out this week.
Oh, and they said now they can't do that.
Right.
They have to only do that at protests?
Right.
That was a misstep.
No, we were just catching up to it. It wasn't a misstep. It just literally came out like, I don't know if it was Wednesday or Thursday, but it just came out.
Yeah. Interesting though. So
yeah. I don't know what LAPD does or the other agencies or the sheriffs.
I'm about to call the Beverly Hills PD. Here you're going to see I was very specific. I did a request for public records and I requested records from these various things. I wanted footage at that time and day from these officers' body cams, from these surveillance footage. That's what I wanted. They didn't give it to me. And here we're going to hit call. And we're going to see if we can get a hold of Sylvia. Let's see what happens.
Sylvia is not available. Record your message after the tone. When you've finished, you can hang up or press 1 for more options.
Sylvia, this is Senate Devermont. I received your email, the letter attached. If I could speak with you, that would be best. I don't know when you're typically in the office. I don't know if I can physically see you. If you could email me sometimes today, sometimes tomorrow, and on Friday that I could either call you or see you in office, please email me, sdevermont. You have my email. My name is Senate Devermont, and I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you, Sylvia Gelfman. So that's what we did. We could try again. Let's see. Or you know what I'll do? I'll call. Let me see one thing here. One thing I can do is call. I got an idea here. Here, we'll do this. We'll call this number. Okay. We're not giving up yet.
Please.
How you doing?
Good, I can help you.
I'm good. Is Sylvia Gelfman in the office today?
One moment. Beverly Hills Police Records.
Hi, who am I speaking with?
This is Yiso Chung of
Beverly Hills Police. How can I help you?
Cesar Chung. Hi, I was trying to reach Sylvia Gelfman.
Okay, she's currently out of the office today, but if you want, I can transfer you over to her voice.
No, I've already left her voicemail. When is she in the office? Let's start with that.
I'm not sure. I just know that she's not in today.
Okay, who could I speak with to find out when Sylvia Gelfman is in the office?
When she's in the office?
Yeah, I would like to know when she's in the office, when I could connect with her, when I could call, when I could see her in person.
Specifically, you could always try calling back.
All right, I'll talk to a watch commander.
About Miss Gelfman, or because he doesn't have her schedule, so.
Does Mrs. Gelfman have a superior?
She does, but that person's unavailable.
Who's her superior?
It would be probably somebody of a higher rank, but.
Hold on. So you're an officer?
Community service officer.
Right, Chung, Chung. I've spoken with you before.
Okay.
And who's her superior? Who's her superior? What's the name?
I wouldn't know specifically what the name is, but it's
that would maybe
somebody of a higher rank.
All right. How about this? Just transfer me to a watch commander, like I originally asked.
Okay. Give me 1 second.
Thank you.
Beverly Hills Police Watch Commander Sergeant Adams. How can I help you?
Hi, Sergeant Adams. I tried to do a public records request.
Okay.
I got a response that essentially I won't be able to, that BHPD is not required to disclose any of these records.
Okay.
At the bottom, the name is Sylvia Gelfman.
Okay.
And it says, if you have questions, please feel free to contact me. I've left her a message. I've also called the record department. They said she's not in the office today. I asked if there's any time tomorrow, Friday, the weekend, Monday, anytime we would know she's available. I could come in, I could speak with her, I could call, and I'm trying to find that information as her name is at the bottom of this letter.
So she is our records manager and supervisor. I don't supervise her. She could be on a vacation day. I don't know if she's going to be gone for 1 day or multiple days. The best course of action would be to either leave her a voicemail at the phone number or send her an email, and she'll get back to you when she can.
I did that, but what I would say is who at that department, and I understand that you don't know if she's gone for 1 day or 10 days, who at that department would know when Mrs. Gelfman would be back? I'm certain someone there knows someone's schedule regarding Sylvia Gelfman.
Probably her boss, her captain that oversees her, but as a general rule, we don't disclose when people are off or when they're here. I don't, if an officer was on vacation, I wouldn't tell you if they were on vacation or not. That's not generally something we do.
Got it. But this is something where the public's asking for specific records. I've then received a response that says contact me, and you can understand that when I call the phone number, the person who answers says they don't know when this person is available today, and they're not in the office today, and they don't know when they'll be back in. That is no form of communication, and that is no ability to have contact with the person who says contact me at the end of the letter.
So I just think you have to be patient. I mean, we can't satisfy every need at every minute and every day. People are allowed to take time off. Some things get delayed a little bit. Stuff happens.
But
so
transparency,
have to be patient.
Right? Transparency would be key. Saying she will be in the office next week, right? But not, I don't know. That's not a response.
Sure it is, because I don't know, and generally we don't disclose when people take time off or not.
So who will be in the records department that can answer questions? Who will be in the record? Who's in the records department that can answer questions other than some kind of seems like some telephone representative?
So His name is
Chung.
CSO Chung.
Yes.
And he's working today,
Got
and he doesn't know when she's going to be back either.
So
I don't know what to tell you.
So nobody there
please be
knows.
patient.
Nobody there knows when Sylvia Gelfman will be back in the office. Is that correct?
That's my understanding. I don't know.
Okay, and you are Sergeant Adams,
Yes.
the current watch commander.
Yes.
Okay, got it. And the record manager, custodian of records, it's no idea when she will be back in. It could be 1 day or 10 days, according to you.
She is the senior manager. She is the top of the line records manager and supervisor. She is the boss of the boss.
Does she have a superior?
Captain Albanese, I believe.
Can I speak? Can I be transferred to him?
Sure. I don't believe so. I don't know if she's in the office either, but I'll send you down there.
What
Hold
do
on
you
one
know?
second.
Got it.
You've reached Captain Albanese with the Beverly Hills Police Department. I'm currently away on vacation. I'll be returning to the office on Tuesday, May 11th.
Oh my
Please leave a
God.
message and I'll call you upon my return. If you need immediate assistance, please contact Lieutenant Moreno at 310-288-2696. Thank you.
So we're gonna call this number now. So it's 1310. Boom. Yeah, I got the number. We're calling it now.
You have reached Renato Moreno, Lieutenant with the Beverly Hills Police Department Administrative Services Division. I am sorry I missed your call, but please leave me a message